Hey guys, welcome back. I have a different type of bag review for you guys today. This particular little backpack that I'm going to show you guys today, it's not a nappy bag as such, it's just a strict little backpack, but it is from a really awesome Australian company called Crumpler, and I will put the link down below for their website so you can check their products out. But they make a lot of rugged kind of travel bags, lightweight, really functional, different styles. Like there's some totes and some hip bags and some backpacks, travel cases, things like that. So this particular one I wanted to show you guys today is called the Mini Orbit, and here it is here. Now I've had this one for quite a while and I've been meaning to show you guys the features and talk about it. I just keep forgetting. It's one of those ones that kind of get stuck in the cupboard, and then I remember, oh, I've got that one, I want to take it. This is the type of bag that I use a lot of the time for going down on our walks, and I could actually use this more because it is quite roomy. It does fit quite a lot. So I'm just going to show you the features of it, talk about how I like the bag and things like that, and also show you how I've kind of packed it up as a nappy bag, but I have used it as just a bag for me as well in the past. So let's get started. So this is made out of a peached RPET and polyester blend, so it is lightweight and padded. The outside of this bag is, I can't think of the word, but it's a lovely soft material, but it does tend to collect a fluff and a lint a lot. That's the only downside I really can see about the bag. The empty thing about this bag, it is small, but it does carry quite a lot, and it is super comfortable to wear on my back. So in the front here you do have a pocket here that snaps together with these snaps. Now as you can see, there's a webbing panel which the clips are on, and they do clip together, but it's kind of difficult to get them to clip together. That's the only thing. I'm not a big fan of these clips. I kind of wish it was like a magnet. It's probably designed to clip down and not be opened up continuously. So in here I do have my lipstick and lip gloss. This is a small set piece by GGB in the Olive Rose B set. And then I have my iPhone 10 in here as well. And inside this pocket there are two tiny little pockets here and a keychain here, which is just a clip on it like this. It's kind of a tough clip to push. I never use these keychains, honestly. I put my keys elsewhere. You do have the Crumpler little logo here, and this kind of is a rubber material, but you know, it's pretty much goes with the style of the bag. On the side here there are same type of pockets, just smaller. So there's no yellow inside though, it's just the blue material as on the outside. I just have my keys in one side, and then on the other side I actually have my sunglasses popped in there in the little case, and these are the Top Fox Cleo sunglasses that I got recently in at Zarame Boutique. So I'll put the link down for those, for that collection, so you guys can check out what we have. On the back here you do have some really nice adjustable padded backpack straps, and the adjuster here is really nice quality, and you have this little bit here that actually keeps the tab from the back strap webbing down, so you can kind of pull it down so it's not hanging everywhere and kind of getting in the way. Also on the back here there is a zipper, and this actually goes into the main compartment of the bag, and these zipper pulls are a shoelace kind, really easy to grab them, and the zipper is really hardy as well. It is a plastic zipper, but it's a very hardy zipper, and as you can see you can kind of get into the bag there. Now if you had a wallet or something here that you wanted to grab out really quick, that's a really nice option. The front here, as I said, you have the grab handles here which don't get in the way. They flop out of the way very easily, and you have the loop here that this clip goes onto. There are two different options that you can put it on, so you can have it on one here to make it a little looser, or you can tighten it up and have it down on the bottom one there. So when you unclip it, it does stand up quite tall, so you don't have to fold it over. It's a nice option if you want to do that. Otherwise you can just leave it like this. On the top here there is a really good quality zipper like the one on the side, on the back, sorry, with the same kind of zipper pull. Really easy to grab, and that opens up and it allows you to get into the bag. I love the yellow inside here. I just think it's so fun. I love bags that have really light lining so you can see what's in there. The only problem is this is kind of it reminds me of the Be Sporty. It does kind of go down like narrowly into the bag, but then again I don't have any issues seeing anything in there. It's pretty good. So the organization, you do have a laptop tech pocket in the back here, and this fits the 13-inch iPad or laptop back there, and in here I just have my nappies needs in my Lily Jade medium packing case. And then the only other organization of the bag is a zipper compartment just in here. And in here I just have my phone charging bank and cord. And this is in an itsy ritzy snack bag. It was just the thing that would fit my, the only thing that would fit my charging block. And then the rest of the stuff's in the center here. I'll just pull it out real quick. I have my Pure Accessories leather wallet, a Y pouch 30 count, a really large Funtainer, and then another Jujubee set piece in chrome with my Mummy Meg Kit stuff, 2 play packs for my girls if we went out somewhere and they wanted to color, and then a hand sanitizer pop down the bottom as well. So all that fit in there, and it does actually hold quite a lot, even though it looks like a small little bag. So I know this isn't a particular nappy bag review. I just thought I wanted to share this brand with you guys because it is really good quality. So as I said, it is an Australian brand, but they do have Afterpay, I believe, which is how I bought this one when I first got it. And I will put the link down below for this particular one. This is the Mini Orbit again. I don't think it's made anymore, unfortunately, but they do have quite a lot of other styles that might be worth having a geezer at. If you guys have any questions or comments, please pop them below, and thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.